Whether in the garden or pot, we all love seeing healthy, happy plants. However, when one, two or more plants in the yard show signs of distress, what do you do? If there are no obvious pests, then the problem could be watering, too much or too little, or maybe fertilising. However, there could be something else that's causing your plants to struggle, and that's your soil's pH. Beyond the physical makeup of soil, there's another important part, and that's the acid and alkaline balance. Some soils are alkaline and some soils are acidic, and depending on the amount of alkalinity or acidity in the soil, will have a major impact on how plants grow, and importantly, how plants can effectively grow in your garden. We measure soil alkalinity and acidity as pH on a scale from 1 to 14. 1 being the most acidic and 14 the most alkaline. All the way along this scale, because of chemical reactions in the soil, certain essential elements can get locked up, and even though they are physically present, plants cannot access them. In highly alkaline soil, iron, which is an important greening element, is made unavailable. And when this happens, you will see leaves turning yellow or pale. Other trace elements such as zinc, manganese and copper are also locked up in higher alkaline soil, becoming less available and resulting in deficiency symptoms such as blotchy leaves and stunted growth. In highly acidic soils, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, the big three, are made difficult to access and plants show signs of distress and deficiency. The pH sweet spot for plants to access the full range of nutrients is around 6 to 7. Checking the pH of your soil is surprisingly easy and instant. You just need a Manutec soil pH test kit. Open the box and you will find a colour chart, instructions and information leaflet, plastic plate and rod, barium sulfate and indicator solution. There's enough to do around 100 tests. We need to test the soil at the root level, not the surface. So for shallow rooted plants, samples should be taken at a depth of 10 to 15 centimetres. And for deep rooted plants like trees and shrubs, at about 25 to 30 centimetres. You don't need to take too much. Remove any bark, leaves or mulch and crush up any hard and lumpy sods. Place a pinch of soil sample on the plastic plate and add enough indicator to make a paste. Lightly sprinkle the white barium sulfate powder over the paste. Then wait as the powder changes colour. Grab the colour chart and match the closest colour to give you the pH reading. It's important to take the reading within a minute of sprinkling the powder to get the correct value. As we can see here, the reading says 7, which means the soil is neutral. Now let's check this soil sample. Look at the colour and we can see this soil has a pH of 4 to 4.5, which means it's acidic. You can also check the pH of potting mix and compost too. Remove any bark and large organic pieces. Try to take the finer material. Just like a spade or pair of secateurs, a Manutec soil pH test kit is another essential tool to help keep your garden growing its very best. You'll find Manutec soil pH test kits at all good garden centres and hardware stores. For more information on how to adjust your soil pH, refer to the information leaflet in the kit or visit the Manutec website.